What's up guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question from second chapter of the Meriam textbook, question 49. And in this one, in order to raise the flagpole OC, a light frame OAB is attached to the pole and the tension of 30.2 kilonewton is developed in the hoisting cable by the power winch D, and we need to calculate the moment of this tension about hinge point O. So basically the tension that we have is this tension that we are talking about. Again, we can pick any point on the line of action of the force to find a moment about point O, but it seems that the point A is the best point since it's going to help us to find the dimensions very easy. So if we dissolve this force, we know this angle right here is 20 degrees based on this one. So if this is our T, this will be T cosine of 20 degrees, and this will be our T sine of 20 degrees, or the vertical component. And if we look at this triangle, we'll see that each side is 3 meters, meaning these angles, each of them are 60 degrees since we have the same side. And the rest of this is pretty easy. So we are looking for the moment about point O. We're going to call counterclockwise positive. So basically we have the moment of the horizontal component and the vertical component, and we are using the 2D shortcut that we have. As long as we can find R and F perpendicular to each other, we only need the absolute value of each. So let's start with the T cosine of 20. We'll see that this is going to make a counterclockwise moment. So positive T cosine of 20 degrees times the distance that we have is basically this distance, which if we look at this right triangle, it will be 3 times sine of 60 degrees. So that's the moment of horizontal part. And if we look at the vertical component, which is T sine of 20 degrees, this moment will be in this direction, which is clockwise. So we have a negative sign, and the distance would be basically what we have in here, which is pretty much the half of this side of the triangle that we have in here. So 3 divided by 2, or it will be 3 times cosine of 60 degrees, which will be again 3 divided by 2. So that's pretty much for the moments. We found the horizontal and vertical components. So from the first one we get 7.81, and the vertical component is going to give us minus 1.64, and this will be equal to 6.17, and the unit will be kilonewton meter. And since we got a positive sign, it will be counterclockwise moment, which will be the final answer for this question. So yeah, that's pretty much for this one. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and comment. It's going to help me to reach out to more students. And let me know if you have any questions regarding this one or any other question in the channel. Feel free to drop it in a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.